safe from the zombies at the moment. I think the zombie will catch me. This is my only place I need to go. I need to go to the toilet. I need to find and see whether there's a house nearby so I can go to the toilet. Hold on. The coast is clear. For now. No, zombie.